Your name and your designation?
My name is Bobin, and I'm a singer and a sport person also.
So, why you came to participate in this rally, and what do you think about the Manipur issue?
As a citizen of India, and I'm also a citizen of this big nation. So as a singer, I need to join this rally because this is the only rally that based on the integration, and it's not divided into on the religion, caste, and everything. It's for one Manipur and one nation. So we should participate because it's time to integrate and it's time to unite. We as one family. So that's it.
What's your name and designation, please?
My name is Sangeeta, and I'm a spokesperson of the MCC Women's Wing, Delhi.
Why you came to participate in this rally, and what do you think about the present issue of this?
This present issue is quite horrible for the Maitais, na. So, sorry. My name is Sangeeta. मैं DMCC वुमेन्स विंग की स्पोक्सपर्सन हूँ और मैं यहाँ आज ये कोकोमी जो मणिपुर के लिए रैली जो अभी यहाँ तिदिम रोड से शुरू होके थाउ ग्राउंड तक जाने वाला है, इसी में हम पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए आए हुए हैं.
What do you think about this present issue of this Manipur? Like now the PR is still enforced in Manipur and the crisis is not resolved till now. And what do you think on this?
PR is still there in Manipur, but the problem is that even though the PR is there, peace is not prevailing in Manipur. That is the main issue. और हमें ये मिलके करना चाहिए कि जो PR रहने के बावजूद रिसेंटली एक मैथई को मार दिया गया था, तो गवर्नर ने रिसेंटली बोला था कि मणिपुर में पीस है और कोई बफर जोन ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं है. तो अगर ऐसे कुछ नहीं है तो वो मैथई को क्यों मारा गया है? तो so we are saying to the government of India not to play with the emotions of the Maitais as well as जो खेल वो लोग खेल रहे हैं. जब तक ये खत्म नहीं होगा तब तक मणिपुर में पीस कभी नहीं आएगा. थैंक यू.
आपका नाम और आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया का क्यों आ रहा है?
मेरा नाम अशोक कुमार अग्रवाल है. मैं बाजार कम्युनिटी से बिलोंग करता हूं. हमारी बाजार कम्युनिटी में सभी वर्ग के लोग हैं और आज की जो ये रैली है, जो इतने 2 सालों से मणिपुर में ये जो क्राइसिस चल रही है, ये जो प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, इसकी वजह से समाज का हर वर्ग, चाहे वो मणिपुरी हो, चाहे ट्राइबल हो, चाहे हमारे बाजार की कम्युनिटी के लोग हो, सभी लोग परेशान हैं क्योंकि सब बिजनेस फेल है, इकोनॉमिक डाउन है, बच्चे पढ़ नहीं पा रहे हैं, लोग रिफ्यूजी बन के कैंपों में 2 साल से रहे हैं, उनकी पढ़ाई लिखाई पे बच्चों पे असर पड़ रहा है. उसको बचाने के लिए और मणिपुर का कोई टुकड़ा नहीं होने देने के लिए हम लोग ये रैली में भाग लेने के लिए आए हैं.
No. Sir, first your name and your designation.
My name is Khoraizam Mathoba, and I am the former convener, and presently I am the consultative. I am also the consultative member of COCOMI. Well, today we are marking the decisive moment where the people of Manipur has taken a firm stand to put our position against the government of India's prolonged mismanagement or deliberate management of this crisis in the state of Manipur for over 2.5 years. People of Manipur have now realized and understood that this crisis is not a mere ethnic conflict. This crisis is not a spontaneous conflict. This crisis seems to be engineered and deliberately designed by certain state agencies that has empowered and provided impunities to certain narco-terrorist armed groups in the state of Manipur and led them to wage a proxy war against the people of the state. And it has, violated the gross human rights of the people of the state for over 2.5 years, and there isn't any sign of visible or significant steps being taken up by the government of India to resolve this crisis. We haven't seen any sincere attempt, and people have now realized that enough is enough. And now today, on this particular day, we are marking the day as a decisive day where people will be taking firm decisions to stop their policy of waging proxy war towards the people of Manipur, against the people of Manipur, to stop empowering and remaining complicity against the narco-terrorism that is spreading like wildfire in the hill areas of Manipur. Today we are also going to demand the legitimate right of the people of Manipur to have a popular elected government, which they have, heckled and abandoned for over 1 year, which doesn't make any significant result as well. Therefore, this rally is going to definitely give a clear and firm stand and messages to the people of to the government of India from the people of Manipur, and we are very much serious about today's decision, and this decision should be the turning point where we are demanding for peace, normalcy, and narco-terrorist free state in the state of Manipur.